In today's video, I want to introduce a new version of Supertrend which is built based on machine learning algorithm. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a very accurate trading strategy based on this new Supertrend. Alright, to add this wonderful indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search Supertrend AI. This one, Supertrend AI clustering, which is an editor specs indicator and it's a free indicator from Lux Algo. Alright, this is the indicator and as you can see it's overlaid on the price chart in the form of some lines and labels similar to the regular Supertrend. As I said, this Supertrend is built based on machine learning algorithm. In case if you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to intimate the way that humans learn and gradually improving its accuracy. This indicator uses a special algorithm that is called k-means clustering, which is one of the simplest and popular machine learning algorithms. I don't get into more details about the algorithm behind this indicator. You can check the page of this indicator on TradingView. The author has explained all the details. The code is also available there and you can more investigate if you know Python scripting. Alright, this AI-based Supertrend is used in a similar way that a regular Supertrend is used. The only difference is that on the point of color changing for the Supertrend, we have labels that show performance metric of the signal so you can have a deeper interpretation of the changes that are happening in the market. For example, for lower values like 0 or 1, they show potential retracement and pullbacks in the market. And for the ones with higher value, they show a higher potential that the market is going in that direction. But please pay attention that relying only on these values in practice may not always give you the expected result. Like here where we have a label with value of 5 but not worth of trading, or here this bullish label has value of 0 which was the starting point of this uptrend. Alright, now let me teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator that helps you to filter the false signals and only take the signals that are highly accurate. We need to add another two indicators. Here we click on indicators and we search Andean oscillator. This one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. Alright, this is the indicator and we're going to use it with its default settings. And the next indicator that we want to add is RSI. This one, relative strength index, and for this indicator we need to change its settings. Here for RSI length, we set it at 34. Alright, everything is already set on the chart and let's see how we trade based on this trading strategy. This strategy can be used on any time frame and you can use it for any asset or market, whether it's Forex, crypto or stocks. It's a very easy trading strategy and you just need to be focused when you are executing this strategy in practice. When we have a sell signal, RSI should be below 50 and also below its moving average line, which is not the case here. And here in Andean oscillator, when we have a sell signal, the red line should be above the green line, which is not the case here. And as you can see, the green line is above the red line. So this signal is rejected and we don't enter any short position here. And when we have a buy signal, RSI should be above 50 and above its moving average line, which is not the case here. And in Andean oscillator, when we have a buy signal, the green line should be above the red line, which is not the case here. So this buy signal is also rejected. Moving back on the chart for this sell signal is also rejected because RSI is above 50 and in Andean oscillator also the red line is not above the green line. And here for this buy signal, as you can see, RSI is above 50 and above its moving average line, and at the same time if you look at the Andean oscillator you can see that the green line is above the red line. And now we wait to see if the green line can cross above the orange line or not. In other words, this buy signal is confirmed only when the green line crosses above the orange line, which happened here as you can see. So we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low and the profit is set at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. Moving back on the chart, we have a sell signal here which RSI doesn't confirm. Here we have a buy signal which Andean Andean oscillator doesn't confirm because green line is not above the red line. And here for the sell signal, RSI confirms because it's below 50 and below its moving average line. And in Andean oscillator also the red line is above the green line, but as you can see the red line couldn't cross above the orange line and it went below the green line here at this point. So this sell signal is also rejected. As you can see, during this flat market our strategy performed very well and didn't confirm any of these signals, and here when the range was broken we had a confirmed signal. Alright, moving back on the chart here for this buy signal, as you can see RSI is above 50 and above its moving average line, and in Andean oscillator the green line is above the red line and it's already above the orange line as you can see. So the buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened, and this trade is also a profitable trade as you can see. But before this trade, for this short position signal, you can see that RSI is above 50, so this signal is rejected. And for this buy signal, RSI is above 50 and above its moving average line, and in Andean oscillator the green line is above the red line and then it crossed above the orange line here at this point. So in practice a long position could be entered here as this new candle was opened, and this trade was also a profitable trade as you can see. Moving back on the chart here for the sell signal, it's not a confirmed signal because the green line is above the red line, and this buy signal also not confirmed because RSI is below 50, and in Andean oscillator also the red line is above the green line. You can clearly see that during the times that we have a reversal or the market is flat, this strategy doesn't confirm the false signals. But please pay attention that although this trading strategy is very accurate, but it doesn't mean it generates 100% guaranteed signals. There is no strategy with 100% accuracy, and losing trades are always part of the game, no matter how accurate the strategy is or how experienced you are. So you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for active trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is one of the most important factors to be a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.